بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سورة النازعات مكية والنازعات غرقا والنازعات غرقا والناشطات نشطا والناشطات نشطا والسابحات سبحا والسابحات سبحا فالسابقات سبقا فالسابقات سبقا فالمدبرات أمرا فالمدبرات أمرا يوم ترجف الراجفة يوم ترجف الراجفة تتبعها الرادفة تتبعها الرادفة قلوب يومئذ واجفة قلوب
Ahmed built 14th Ottoman Sultan Ahmed. He built this mosque in the first quarter of 17th century, 1616. We just came from the Ottoman. We did Nazi, but there used to be a stadium there, Hippodrome of Constantinople, Stadium of Constantinople, 1700 years old. Sophia's 1500 years old. On this tour, also the tour, so this is the newest building to enter, the Blue Mosque. It's not going to rain, but there's a minutes for you to see me. 15 minutes. I think 15 minutes we can say because they just takes headscarf and take the shoes off, then they enter the mosque. The Sultanate lasted 16 years. When he was only 29 years old, because of a sickness he died. So 1 year before he died, Sultan had built this mosque. We are in one of the most famous mosques in Turkey. I think the second most famous mosque in Turkey, because first visited mosque is Sofia, Hagia Sophia. So 400 years ago, one of the Ottoman Sultans, Sultan Ahmed the First, he built this mosque. It was built in 7 years, almost 7.5 years, between 1609 and 1616. Ahmed built it 400 years ago. Since then, this mosque has been called as Sultan Ahmed Mosque, or in Turkish, Sultan Ahmed Jami. But everybody in the world, the tourists especially, they call this mosque Bulu, because of the blue tiles inside the mosque. Just the painting, no tiles. On the ceiling, you can just see the painting. The pattern is old, but the painting is new. Because last 6 years, in 2017, 2023, big restoration, renovation works happened inside the mosque. Also 6 years, we saw nothing inside the mosque, because big scaffoldings, artificial pillars, ceiling was covered, walls were covered, so we saw nothing. 6 years, it was very small to see. The restoration was finished last year, first day of Eid in April. Also Erdogan was here, the president of Turkey, to open this mosque, because big restoration. So after the restoration was finished, we saw whole interior of the mosque. So because of this reason, because of the renovation, all repainted the ceiling. But no tiles. The ceiling tiles just on the walls. Lower man on the wall. Orange color lines. Just between the two lines. Right side, back side, left side, and one side. You see handmade Ottoman tiles. These are easy tiles. For that reason, because of this tiles, this mosque is called Bulu Mosque by the tourists. So like this size, approximately 22,000 pieces of the tiles. Tiles, not just blue, but dominant color is blue. The name of this mosque is Bulu Mosque. But when you ask Turkish people, where is Mavi Jami? English meaning Blue Mosque. We Turks will not understand anything, because for us, name of the mosque, name of the Sultan, who built the Sultan Ahmed Mosque. So famous for the tiles inside, also outside famous for the minarets. So when we go outside, not the Hippodrome, but when we reach near the ayah, so we can, when you look backside, you can see this mosque has 6 minarets. Ottoman era, the minarets had a meaning. Only Sultan and his family, the dynasty of the empire, they could build a mosque with 2 minarets. Others, grand viziers, commanders, religious leaders, wealthy people, when these people wanted to build a mosque, not just in Istanbul, in every Ottoman territory, they had to limit their mosque with single minaret. So right after this, when you visit Istanbul, also when you visit other parts of Turkey, if you see a mosque with single minaret, it means this mosque was not built by Sultan or his family. But if you see a mosque with 2 minarets, built not now, going during the Ottoman time, 15th to the 20th century, it means Sultan, his wife, his mother, his daughter, his son. These 5 people built this mosque. So among all of Sultan's mosques, only this mosque, Holy Mosque, it has 6 minarets, and only Süleymaniye Mosque, it has 4 minarets, and it is for Turkey it's the best Ottoman mosque. This is the second best, but the most famous, because everybody entered here. This has 6. There's a legend about the construction of this 6 minarets. It's said that Ahmad Sultan, he did not want 6 minarets. He ordered his architect 2 minarets, but gold painted, gold plated 2 minarets. Gold Turkish meaning as a word, altın.
رفع سمكها فسواها
Architect Sedefke Mehmed Al Nemahin, who built this mosque on the order of Ahmad, he misunderstood this Turkish word, altın to altın, which means 6. Altın, altın, gold 6. So by the mistake of this architect, I think it's not a true thing, but it's a legend. Most Turkish people know legends, so by mistake or by misunderstanding of his architect, this mosque was constructed instead of 2 golden minarets with 6. This is the carpet from the last year. This new carpet, and people pray on this carpet. So this is a place for us, for the visitors. Behind this line is a place for men to pray. If you Muslims, if you want to go pray, from that corner, ladies, left and the right corner for the places.
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى فإذا جاءت الطامة الكبرى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى يوم يتذكر الإنسان ما سعى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى وبرزت الجحيم لمن يرى فأما من طغى وآثر الحياة الدنيا فإن الجحيم هي المأوى وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى وأما من خاف مقام ربه ونهى النفس عن الهوى فإن الجنة هي المأوى هي المأوى يسألونك عن الساعة يسألونك عن الساعة أيان مرساها
They used to come here as a
فيما أنت من ذكراها فيما أنت من ذكراها إلى ربك منتهاها إلى ربك منتهاها إنما أنت منذر إنما أنت منذر من يخشاها إنما أنت منذر يغشاها كأنهم يوم يرونها كأنهم يوم يرونها كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها كأنهم يوم يرونها لم يلبثوا إلا عشية أو ضحاها